Hello, today we're gonna be playing Mobile Legends. Today is gonna be the next update! And also, we have someone unsubscribed the channel. So guys, we have 613 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe, guys. So today is gonna be part 11! So guys, if you want to see more of my videos, you have to go check them out. It's gonna be in my channel. Hey, I'm the creator of the channel. Grab it. Today we're gonna be playing not classic, but it's gonna be really hard. We're gonna do AI. We're gonna do AI again. Okay. Sino pala si June Hunter? Oh. Anong gamitin natin? Zilong.
The Dragonborn is back.
Uy. I'm Zilong, so oh wow, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tayo dalawa main skin and ang kalaban dalawa skins sa team nila. Pokemon the same, Vexana, Hanabi, Tigreal. Bungi.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! Troops deployed!
So dito tayo, napunta kami dito sa mid lane kasi makuha ko mga XP.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Bunga sila! Goga yo! Si Baymax.
Nothing scares me, not even death.
Mahirap yun. Mabigay ako ikaw isang tip. Meron pala yun ang mga susunod mga letters. Yun ang susunod C, susunod A, susunod N, susunod D. Pan! 5 seconds, go! Ano pala? Pandesal.
Raging within.
Hindi pandesal. Pag-ardis yun. So, ano pa ng pandesal mean? What is pandesal?
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Sobrang lag. Agad.
Nothing scares me, not even death.
Nanatakbo na. Gusto ko makill.
Tranquil as a poem, but raging within.
Takbo! Hala, may zilong. Wait, bakit may zilong? Nandito ako. O baka ang double
It would
down
take
ko
an
yan.
army to stop me. Your whole body is a weak spot.
Yari.
You destroyed a turret. First blood.
It would take an army to stop me. Heroes never fade. Ha!
You have slain an enemy.
Aha, this is my time to shine. Grabe, bobog. Yeah.
Tranquil as a poem, but raging within. Heroes never fade. Nothing scares me, not even death.
An enemy has been slain. You have
Sigma. Haha. Sigma. What the Sigma?
Your whole body is a
an enemy has been slain.
What the Sigma? I mean, what the Sigma? Oh,
It would
don't
take an army to stop me.
fly. Dragon Ball Z time. Got him. We with the Dragon Ball Z of the youth.
Nothing scares me, not even death.
Again.
Fade.
Killing spree.
Let's go. I got 3 kills under my belt. I got 3 kills under my belt. Okay, now let's go kill the turtle.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Let me announce them.
Launch attack.
Oi, this is mine.
Heroes never fade.
Mega kill.
Grabe, man. Hey, he wants to all my energy. How can I kill this turtle?
Nothing scares me, not even death. Tranquil as a poem, but raging within.
Really? I want to become a ninja.
An
They're
ally
not.
has slain the turtle. Killing spree.
Ayan, nahawak ako ang kalaban ko. Ang tropa ko eh. Okay, tapos ang kalaban. Oh, ayan. Ang sakto. Lo. Gagi, mamatay ang kasama ko.
It would take an army to stop me.
Oh, grabe! Ang sobrang lakas ko!
Unstoppable.
Pak!
Nothing Nothing
Patay na.
scares me, not even
Matay na
death.
sa Ben. Matay na sa Ben. Siyempre. Siyempre. No!
Your team destroyed monster kill.
Namatay ka daw. Let's go. Bro, I'm such a maniac in this.
It would take an
So
army
guys,
to
comment
stop me.
if you play Mobile Legends before. Kasi na-play ako sa iPhone sa papa ko kasi nasira
An
na.
enemy has been slain.
It's already like many years ago na ba yan? Abi na yan! Huwag ka maalis!
Death.
Huwag ka maalis! Uy, sakto! Na! Na! Almost ako namatay! Si Cyber, patay ka na!
Tranquil as a poem, but raging
Grabe
within.
ba?
Team destroyed a turret.
Masingod ako.
Ally has been slain.
Grabe ba? Sakto.
Your
Woo!
whole body is a weak spot.
F. Uy, isang pang lalaki! Napati may dalawa! Awa may dalawa! Isang lang ako. Sakto. Uy, ay ba na?
Tranquil as a poem, but raging within.
Napati ka na!
Boom! Yun.
Godlike.
Godlike.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
An enemy has been slain.
Basic nito. Basic.
An enemy has been slain.
It would take an army to stop me. Yeah!
Namatay isang kalaban sa minion. Kasama sa minion sa red. Bakit man may isa?
Tranquil as a poem, but raging
Uy, bakit
within.
mo? Bakit kayo pumasok sa torre? Ay, nagbobobo man sila. Hindi. So guys, bawal magpunta pasok sa torre kasi or baka mamatay ka man.
Destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Magasto sa'yo. Wow, so easy man nito.
You destroyed a turret.
Alis din ako
Nothing
kasi
scares me,
may mga
not even
explosion.
death.
Pagsukan! Sukan! Sine! Ayan, super maniac.
Your whole body is a heroes never fade.
Legendary.
Super legendary na. Uy mga lods, meron ako 8 kills and 1 assist and wala matay. 19 ang kills natin guys. So para mapanalo tayo nito. So guys, meron tayo ang 4 rounds yun sa mga tips.
Ally has been slain.
Na nakako.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Na Ryan run. Nawala ang speed up ko. Bakit pa?
Killing spree.
Wala kayo.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Mautusan.
Nothing scares me, not even death.
Na like shadow clone technique. Na chikotu. Baka.
Team destroyed a turret has been destroyed.
Baka. Baka.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Baka. Gusto mo kinoy ko, Dr. Bayo.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Ay nako, grabe man.
An ally has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Killing spree.
Heroes never fade.
Pasok na! Kill, 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 kill!
Legendary.
Baka!
Triple kill.
Hello! Baka! Ano ba yan? Isa ko na maanak ko eh. Ayan na panalo. Let me see who got MVP.
Victory.
Aku.
Legendary. MVP ako mga lods.
Kakak na ka, Lods. Huwag na.
Okay guys, makuha ko Skyflare. So guys, tomorrow papunta kami sa sa Mercedes kasi mag-visit ako sa kaibigan ko. So guys, if you watch sa mga kaibigan ko sa YouTube nila, so guys, go search. Or baka I'll show you what they mean sa YouTube channel nila, okay? YouTube channel nila. So guys, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do any rounds because I have to eat dinner and I gotta see how many subscribers I got. So guys, make sure like and subscribe and leave comments if you love playing Mobile Legends and if you play your first Mobile Legend game. So see you on my next vlog. So bye bye.